In this particular video that I said I made 50,000 naira in 7 days with this app, some people said it's a scam. Why some people said it's a lie, I should get lost. Why some people said I should guide them, of which I did. I actually sent them my number, they chatted me on WhatsApp, and some said I should make a detailed video on this particular app, and which is what I am doing right now. I'm going to be showing you step by step guide on how you can actually make money from this particular app. It's not an app where you watch videos and make money. You need to render a service with this particular app, and that is what I'm going to be explaining right now. As I've said earlier in the video, business is not for everyone. It's only for those that are interested, that have interest in it, that feel like they can do it. I'm doing it, and of course you can do it as well, only if you choose to do it. Okay, my own is to give you ideas of how you can actually make money online. Then it's your own choice to choose whether you're going to do it or not. Okay, let's start with step one, which is knowing the business. What exactly is this business about? You're going to become an educational consultant. You're going to be rendering service to some set of people, and of which I'm going to explain in details. So you're going to become an educational consultant guiding the people. Hold on, you don't have to know much as an educational consultant. All you need to know is just the basic thing about your school. If you are a student, this is a good fit for you. You're a fresh graduate, you can do this. And if you know that you can actually do this after watching the video, you are good to go as well. From this business, you can make from 100,000 naira to 300,000 naira as a beginner. So your second year, you can make more than that. In my first year, I was able to make 300,000 naira as a beginner. No one guided me. I think I thought about the business and I started it, and it was successful. And this year makes it second year in the business. Okay. Step two is creating a Facebook page. You might be wondering what you want to do with Facebook page. For example, you are a student of Unilorin, or you are a student of Unilag, or any university or polytechnic or college of education or nursing school, any institution at all in Nigeria. Please, I'm not talking about secondary school students here. I'm talking about higher institution students. It doesn't matter if you just entered. I mean, you're 100 level going to 200 level. You already have experience about your school. You know details. At least more information about your school. Okay, you can actually participate and do this and guide upcoming aspirants into your school as well and monetize them. So you're going to create a Facebook page. Name this Facebook. Also, for instance, now you are going to Unilorin, so you're going to name this Facebook page as Unilorin Aspirants Group. You can check Facebook. This is not a new, but people are not just talking about it. It's not a new business. It has been existing since. People are not just talking about it because it makes them real money. Okay. After creating your Facebook page, make sure you turn on admin assistance. It's going to help you to moderate and coordinate your group. If you don't want to use Facebook and you have other ideas or ways you can actually get audience, you can go for that. But I used Facebook to generate my audience, to build them. So step three is that you need to be posting consistently on your Facebook page. I mean, for instance, now your school just released a post to TME, you post them about Jam, you post them about NECO, you post about WIEC updates, you post anything that has to do with education updates, you post them in that group, and make sure that you post legit updates, not just post any random updates. Verify, follow Jam on X, follow WAHEC, NECO to get updates, latest updates. Okay, that is what I do, and I also join other aspirants groups to get updates. Before I post them, I make sure I verify them. Your school has a campus reports, you know, that kind of a website, WhatsApp TV or channel that everyone follows in your school. Join that thing, get information from such a reputable channel, and then you kind of always post and repost whatever they are posting there in your group as well. Step four is that you need to know your service. What service are you going to be rendering to your audience? I render all of this service, and you can also check out the one that you can do and the one that you cannot do. Hold on, there are some Jam service that you can actually do yourself, and there are some that you cannot do yourself. For instance, now uploading of O level on Jam portal was actually can be done online. That was as at last 2 months, but now you cannot do it because the Jam now apply biometric verification on that particular service. So I cannot do it online again. The only two service you can render on Jam now is printing of admission letter and also printing of Jam original results. You can also help them to check their matriculation list. They can pay you a social amount of fee For jam results, you can check it's 2,500 naira. You're going to pay 1,004 or 1,005. I think you get 1,000 naira profit, and you can actually charge 3,000 naira if you wish. But for jam, what's it called, admission letter, you charge 2,500 naira, and you're going to be paying 1,020 naira on the portal. So you're going to get at least maybe like 1,480 naira as profit. Imagine you do for 10 people in a day. That is how it is. There are a lot of service you can actually render for these students. From most students, you can generate more than 20,000 naira from them. You help them to pay their school fee. You register for their post-UTME screening form or screening form. You register them. I mean, you help them check their WAEC results. You set scratch cards to them. Like, there are a lot of service you can actually render to this, to your clients. Once they trust you, you are good to go. I'm serious. Once they trust you, you are good to go. I'm going to tell you what exactly you need to do so they can actually trust you. Let's keep going. So step 5 is directing them from your Facebook group to your WhatsApp group. Okay, that is what matters most, because you'll be able to coordinate them well. After directing them from Facebook to your WhatsApp, always post every day. Even though you don't have any updates to drop, just say hi, good morning. Make sure you open the group for interaction. They ask a question, you reply. From there, you build your trust, and you guys, they can freely message you and talk. Do not just shun them. Make sure you guide them. If you're not available to respond to their questions, just tell them that you're not available. You're going to answer, to reply to all pending questions. I understand they can ask questions, but you need to be patient with them. They are just, in secondary school students, they just graduated. Sure, you get. So that is just your job. Okay, you guide them with the right information. Just guide them with the right guidance and pass them the legit information that they want to know. They see you as the leader. They see you as someone they can look up to, that they can message, that is guiding them through the process of getting admission. So that is all about it. And then this is another business that you can actually do after all of the admission has been done. They've been given admission and everything has been done. You're ready. Like, I'm serious. You're going to get money. I don't know. I don't know why people are not talking about this, because when I actually thought about this last year, I was like, let me just give it a try. And then I did. And I was able to generate like 300k. I was so happy and glad that, wow, this thing actually worked. And then from that same audience, I was able to create a group, another WhatsApp group for hostel, because after they get admitted, they are going to look for hostel that they are going to look for hostel. Of course, most of them don't want to stay in the school hostel. They want to stay outside the school hostel. So the one that cannot afford outside the school hostel will eventually stay in the school hostel. So that's what was happened. I created another hostel group, and that was another way you can actually make money. And as a newbie, you can make up to 200k. I just said you get only 20 people that message you, and it depends on the location that you have. I don't know how expensive hostel ad is there, but you can make as low as 10,000 naira. Let's just say the amount I make most times, like the amount I had to host them most times, highest is 20,000 naira. Honestly, I don't had more than that. 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira. If you want me to help you to look for roommates, you pay 5,000 naira as merging fee. The other party pay 5,000 naira, the other party pay 5,000 naira, and make 10,000 naira. So even if they not collect hostel from you, it's okay. And they collect hostel from you, that's another agent's fee. You just find out about all of these things in your school area, and then you realize that this is something that you can actually do as a part-time job. And one thing about this business is that it is not every day. It's not a regular business. It's session, it's season. Okay, it's occasion. For instance, now it starts from July. That is when period of jam, what's it called, jam blessings. And one more thing, you can actually create a jam blessing. Like, seriously, I've not started this, but I'm thinking of starting next year. Yeah, this is another thing. If you are good enough, you can coordinate, you can teach, you can tutor, then you can go for this. Okay. Anyways, let me know in the comment section if this is helpful, more detailed enough, and if you are going to try it out. Make sure you like the video, comment, and also share to your friends that you feel like, this video is going to be helpful to my dear friend. Share it to them, okay? And do not forget to comment. Thank me by liking the video. You're welcome. Bye. See you in the next one.